First stop at National 3-Peak Challenge, Gretna Green Services, fire service minibus. Going well, on time so far. So we're just about to start. It's about 20 to 5. We're going to aim to leave for 5 dead on. So this is the kit. I don't know if you can see it. So we're in full kit. Mask there. Not taking the helmet, but there's the breathing apparatus. 2 firefighters, 3 mountains. National 3-Peak Challenge in 24 hours. Ben Nevis, Scafell and Snowdon. Let's do it. Right, let's go, boys.
Hey guys. Look guys. Look.
So we're not far from the halfway locker now. We've been going an hour and 5 minutes. You can see Josh and one of the support lads down there. Reports from the top are that it's very snowy, visibility is poor, so we'll take his time. Just going to wait for Josh a little bit and catch him maybe in a bit. Right everyone, we're just about halfway locked. Smashing it, aren't we, kid?
Yeah, it's everything I thought it was going to be. It's good though, good fun, beautiful.
Beautiful view, love.
Great company. Couldn't do it without these boys here either.
No, great support crew.
Jason, Dave, Martin. Yeah. Yeah, we're there, we're surprised. But yeah, loving it.
See you in a bit. So we just reached the snow line. All we have a bit ago. These heroes, absolute legends. We've got 2 more in front. It is extremely slippy this. Don't want to get close and then right, final push. Final push while it's cleared up. Believe it or not, it's just slightly cleared for us. Come on, boys. I can see the summit.
Oh,
yeah. Summit. 2047. So we've come out of the snow and the mist and fog. We're just making our way down as quickly as possible. We're a little bit behind schedule, but we're doing well. We're doing alright. Just trying to get down as quickly as we can without breaking us necks. It's beautiful. So we're just coming down. We're on head torches now. We're making really good progress actually coming downhill, which I know probably sounds obvious, but coming down is actually quite difficult. It's where most accidents happen, because you're tired and fatigued. But we're doing alright. Plodding on. We're back. Done. That's Ben Nevis done. Quick swap over and on to the next. So we're now at Scarfell. Well, just started walking. Started walking at 17 minutes past 6. We are a good couple of hours behind schedule. So it's not looking great for the 24, but we'll crack on, see how we get on. Keep pushing it. I'll be at 620 metres. Getting there. But it's horrible. Absolutely horrible. So it's 8:30. Heading to the summit of Scarfell. Just over 2 hours. Not bad guys, really. So we're just on our way back down now. Look at that. Looking to get down back to the car about 10 past 10, and then fly straight off to Snowdon. There's still a chance in this. Come on. Right everyone, so we're about 50 minutes into Pig Track on Snowdon. Last one of the National 3-Peak Challenge. There's Crib Gock up there. Just in a quiet spot here where there's no wind, but it is quite windy. Hopefully it stays clear for us and we can crack on. Final plod, swing you around. Look at that, totally under cloud cover, couldn't see a thing. Look at it down here, it's beautiful. 7 minutes past 8. I'm in bed. Oh, well, that's a wrap everybody. We're pretty much back at the car now. been absolutely brutal. Everyone's give 110%. Me and Josh have both give it our all, and our support team have been stars as well. And another big shout out to Shane for driving. He's been a star. But we're proper knackered.
Yeah, proper knackered. Shout out to Mark for dragging me up, even when my legs aren't working, and dragging me back down as it seems at the moment. But no, thank you everyone for the support.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really appreciate it. I just want to get back in this van and get home to see the missus and kids now.
Yeah, get back to the family. It's not too late to donate. If anyone wants to keep donating, the pages will stay open for a couple of weeks. But thanks for everyone's support again.
Really appreciate it, guys. Yeah, at the end of the day it's for charity, that's what it's for. The main thing, and you've all been mint as always, as you always are, so we both really appreciate it, and yeah, thanks.
See you everybody.
Bye.
Bye.